Recording. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yoyis and I'm a makeup and lash artist in Las Vegas. So obviously by today's title, you guys want to see an updated lash room tour. And sorry, I forgot to introduce my goddaughter.
Hi.
Her name is Maylin, but we call her Mealy. The reason why she's in this video is because we had pre-recorded a video doing like a haul for you guys and showing you guys everything that I bought. I wanted to take you guys along, like do a shopping video, but I got so excited when I walked into the store that I completely forgot to record. And then on top of it, when we did the haul video, everything got deleted on my camera. So I'm so disappointed and I'm having such a difficult time with my camera right now. So if you're seeing this video, it's because I managed to make it work, because I did end up changing a lot of things in this studio. I moved it around and I officially found the way that I love it. I know I said that in last video and I say that in every video that I like to change things around, but I feel like I finally found the way that I really like things. All right, then if you guys want to see my updated lash room tour, then just keep on watching. So nothing much has changed on this side. As you can see, I still have my girl on this side of the room and my bed is still over here. I just have this clean white sheet over it. And I did end up changing my ring light to the other side of the bed just because I have another small ring light, like in case I need more light to light up my pictures. Then I have this cute little ring light, as you can see, that I'm able to attach it to my lash pillow, and pretty much I could just move it around any way I'd like. And if I'm doing recording any videos on my phone, like doing a hyperlapse, then I'm able to attach it here. So if you guys do want a small cute little ring light or are trying to record videos hands-free, then I recommend to get this. I'm gonna have a link down below, that way if you guys are interested, I'll have that link down for you guys. And I have my ring light over here. I am looking for a new ring light just because this light is giving me problems. It is the, what is it called? It is the one with the tube inside of it, and it's just giving me problems, so I definitely need a new one. And I've been keeping my eye out on this one that's like, it's like this one, but it's more bigger and it's double. It has two of them, and I wanted to see if it'll work good for lighting up the whole face. Sorry, I'm trying to put it back. Or if I'm just gonna need an LED one. It's like this one, very similar, except it doesn't have the bulb. So either way, I need to update because this one is giving me problems. It's about 3 years old. Like, I've been using this since way back then when I said I was gonna start YouTube to do makeup videos, and I never did. But it's still going strong. I mean, it works. I just have to move the knobs a little bit. And of course I have my chair with my pillow over there, and I ended up moving my mirror on this side. I still need curtains, don't mind me. I'm like debating. I'm like really debating. I know, guys, I feel like I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to like little things like this, and I still haven't decided what curtains I want to do, if I want to hang them straight from the ceiling down, how I have them here. But Ikea has this cute little rod that goes like all the way. It's like an L. So I think I want to just put like a big old curtain with LED lights in the back. I'm still not sure, so I'm still thinking about it. Anyway, so I ended up putting my long mirror on this side, and my lash cart, I'm actually using it as my lash cart now, and I'm gonna have an updated lash cart. What's in my lash cart? I feel like when I had my bookshelf as my everything, where I pretty much stored everything, I liked it. It's just everything was out and it looked a little messy to me. And now I have it on this side, where I just have pretty much on my top row, I just have this cute little sign. And I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it in my last video, where I say tag me at Yoyis Lash&Beauty for $5 off, and then my cute little pink flower. And over here on this side, I just have spoolies, business cards, little loyalty cards, the aftercare instructions, and then I have my Square app in there, and then more spoolies, and just my square app sign. And then down here I have a lint roller, and then here I just keep my towels that I use for my clients. And then down here I have this acrylic case, and you guys will actually not believe this, but this acrylic case, if you've seen my last video, this acrylic case was where I kept my lash tiles and my spoolies and pretty much everything in it, except for, as you can see the dividers right here. I took the dividers out, and I pretty much use this to keep all my aftercare kit stuff in there. And then I just have cleaning supplies down there, and then down there is like miscellaneous stuff. But yeah, I feel like this came really handy. And then the inserts, I actually used them for my new organization, which I'm going to show you guys later on. But for right now, this is what I use my bookshelf. It's just simple. I didn't like how it felt overcrowded with all my stuff, and that's why, say hi. And that's why I just decided to put everything on here. But like I said, I'm gonna do an updated lash cart for you guys, just because I feel like I organize things so much differently, and it has actually helped keep everything nice and organized. And then on this side, I still have my same old vanity with, you know, everything that I keep on there. So I don't think you guys need an update on that. And now for the fun part. Milan, why did you put that down there?
Because
okay, and this is the part that has changed the most. As you can see, I do have a new organization where I put everything. I feel like it just looks more clean. And sorry, this is out. But I'm gonna go in another video and talk about exactly how I organize everything. And I like it because it actually matches my vanity, so it's perfect. I'm thinking of getting another one and putting it on the other side of my desk. Sorry, I lost track of my desk. That way I have room for my desk stuff, just because I have to keep everything on top of my desk, just because this little, it does not hold anything. Like, it's literally this small, and it doesn't hold anything. So I need another one of these. That way I could add more stuff and more organization. And you guys already know I have the same ottoman, the same carpet, and that little guy down there is my foot massager, so don't mind it. And then on that side, you guys already know I have my lash little organization box, I guess you could say, with a bunch of blankets. And now for decoration wise, guys, I am obsessed the way that all this came out. And again guys, I am so sorry, but I lost the video. I'm showing you guys in detail every single one of these items, but that's what this video is for. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got. But the one thing that I am obsessed with is those cute little lashes and the Babe Cave sign. It is so freaking cute, and I feel like it matches my studio so good. So pretty much I wanted to add some black in my decor, just because I feel like I have so much white. Like, everything is white, and then my ring light and my lash pillow is black, and then my girl's hair is black. So I feel like I needed to add a little more black in my decor. So what do you guys think? I am obsessed. So on this side, I'm just gonna start off with same old stuff, my acrylic box where I keep all my spoolies and all that, so nothing has changed, and my tool sterilizer. If you guys have seen my last video, then you guys know that this was gifted to me by a friend a very long time ago. And as you guys can see, I love Paris. I've never been there. I want to go. It's my dream to go there one day. So I just have a little bits of decor from the Eiffel Tower here, and then up this way I have this cute little fake plant. I do not have a green thumb. I kill plants. I just forget that I have plants, so it's best for me to just have fake plants. That way I don't have to worry about them, because it's so sad when I see a plant die knowing that it's my fault. So it's best that I just have fake ones here. That way, you know, nothing bad happens to them. And then on this side, I just have this cute little neon light. You guys probably can see it. There we go. She's so cute. And down here I got this cute little cloud with lashes. I thought she was so cute, and then I just keep a picture of my parents because they are my motivation, and my two sisters from Christmas last year. And sorry guys, but I forgot to tell you guys where I got this stuff from. She got all of this from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I pretty much got everything from Hobby Lobby. The only thing that I didn't get was the floating shelves. I actually got these from Target. And this is the actual box. I saved it for you guys, that way you guys could see exactly what it is and where I got it from. And it is from Project 62, and it is the 5-piece wall shelf set. And I was actually looking for some on Ikea, but I feel like they were more bulky, like they were thick, and I feel like those are meant for shoes. Like I've seen a lot of girls use those for shoes, and they're just like really big. And I like these because they're so lightweight, they're so thin, they don't bulge out of the wall the way the Ikea ones does. As you can see, they're not that far from the wall, and I like it because they don't take up that much room. Like they just fit in the wall so beautifully. I love them. For this side, you guys already know I need to have my quotes on here. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then what are you waiting for? I'll have the link down below. But I love motivational quotes, everything that has to do with getting your shit together. So yeah, of course I had to get this one where it says you got this. And then up here, you already know I had to get this one. If you guys don't know or don't follow me on Instagram, then you guys probably don't know that I do my boomerangs every morning with my cup of coffee with my lash girl in the back. But I do this every time, and I feel like it just motivates me. So when I saw this, I'm like, I love it. This is so me. It has little lashes. It's black and pink, and it says it's Lash O'Clock. So cute. And in that video that I had recorded with my Hobby Lobby haul, I had mentioned this coffee cup, and it actually came with like a cute little pom-pom with a little Eiffel Tower. It was so cute, and it says I woke up like this. And this is actually the new cup that I've been using for my cute little boomerang, saying it's Lash O'Clock. Isn't she cute? And of course I saw this and I needed to have it. It's so cute because this is literally my babe cave. I do everything in this room. I get ready, I have my brides in here, I do makeup, I do hair, I do lashes, and I also record and edit my videos in here. So this is definitely a babe cave, and look how cute this sign is. And a lot of these picture frames were on sale, 50% off. So half of these I got for like $5-10. A bunch of them were for like $12-20, and I got them for less than $5. So if you guys are looking for cute little picture frames, then I highly recommend going to Hobby Lobby and checking them out. And then over here, of course, you know I needed to have this. It's pink, white, and black, and it says you're like really pretty. And every lash artist uses this quote. Every lash artist that I know has used this quote on their Instagram, so obviously I needed to have it. It's so cute. And then right over here, if you don't know me, I love cheetah print everything. So of course I needed to incorporate some cheetah print in here. And she is so cute. So cute. And then my husband was the one that actually told me that this looks good like this. What do you guys think? Does he have good taste or what? And then right under here, I just have some cute little lash signs, and it's really glittery, and I love it. She's so cute. And I've actually had some in my Amazon cart and on Etsy they sell some, but when I saw that these were super glittery and they were $10, I was like, girl. And I didn't show you guys, but this letters is actually very glittery too. So cute. And then right up here I just have this cute little white picture frame with an illustration of the Eiffel Tower with a cute little cherry blossom tree. And of course I needed to have it because it's, you know, Paris with white, black, and pink. So cute. And then up here, I believe this was Maylin's favorite. That was your favorite, huh? So this one, it just says, do you, babe? And you already know I love my motivational quotes. And it has lips, eyes, hearts, lashes, has everything a girl likes. So I needed to have it. And then this one This one feels like a little loner over here, but she is so cute. And the reason why I like this so much, even though it's a little peachy compared to all the pink colors that I have on here, I needed to have it just because it's so cute. And you already know my motivational quotes, and it says killing it, of course. And I'm also thinking of starting a killing it series on my channel where I mention new and upcoming lash artists who need a little boost, a little hype me up moment. So if you guys are interested on my killing it shout outs, then let me know. I will start incorporating that in my lash videos. So what do you guys think? Should I start doing a killing it series? I think I should. And then down here I have my girl gang. Just something simple. She's so cute with her little lips. And then, you know, my regular desk. Nothing fancy, just cheetah and pink. So, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Is she cute or what? Do you guys think I did a good job on the decor? And actually, my husband helped with everything. We were fighting the whole time, but it was so worth it. He did a good job. What do you guys think? Is she cute or what? Is she cute or what?
I like it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this amazing video.
So that pretty much wraps up today's video. And thank you, Maylin, for being my awesome helper today.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. Also, if you guys like this... Sorry, but we really got interrupted. But yeah, like I was saying, if you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and hit the notification button so you guys don't miss out on all my new videos that I have coming for you guys. And if you guys do want to see an updated lash cart and organization, let me know in the comments down below. Also, like it. That way I know that you guys do want to see that video. And again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. Bye.
Eyes were soft as the moon. Why did you leave me that soon? I can't wait to see you in the morning, in the bed where you're the king. Walking in the sand like nothing's wrong. I'm just trying to write you a song. The sun is going down, I am getting wild. Just can't remember the last time you smiled. Yeah. I can't help staring at you. I'm fine as long as you're mine. Queen of the night, I'm falling apart. You're the missing king, I wanted you back. Please come back to me, my dear, 'cause nothing can keep us apart. Please come back to me, my dear, 'cause nothing can keep us apart. You in heaven, then you just wanted to run. I know we could be perfect together. Be sure I can